Everyone is talking about AI in 2026. But if your real goal is to make money online, get freelance clients, save time, and build income, which AI tool should you actually use? Chatgpt, Claude, or Gemini? Before we start, let's be clear. We are not asking, which AI is smartest? We are asking, which AI helps normal people make money faster? Not hype, not fanboy opinions. Real beginner opportunities. We'll compare them across freelancing, business ideas, productivity, and ROI. By the end, you'll know exactly which subscription is worth your $20 a month, and which one you should delete today. First up, content creation. This is the goldmine for beginners. Blogging, copywriting, social media scripts. Chatgpt. Fast, flexible, and easy to use. Perfect for emails, product descriptions, ad copy, and blog drafts. But sometimes outputs are generic if prompts are weak. You still need editing skills. Claude, the premium writer. Its tone is warmer, more nuanced, and deeply human. In tests, Claude's copy converted 40% better on sales pages than Chatgpt. Ideal for proposals, reports, and high-ticket writing services. Gemini, the vlogger's assistant. Integrated with YouTube and Google tools, it can analyze trending videos and generate scripts optimized for the algorithm. Money verdict. High-end writing Claude wins. YouTube and video creators, Gemini wins. Fast, short-form content Chatgpt wins. Next, market research and data analysis. Gemini, the powerhouse. With live web intelligence, it pulls real-time pricing, trending keywords, and sentiment analysis. For dropshippers and SEO experts, this is a superpower. Chatgpt, your logic machine. Great for analyzing your own business data, customer lists, CSV files, hidden patterns. It's like having a junior data scientist for $20. Claude, strong at summaries and organization, but lacks real-time connections. Money verdict. Finding new niches, Gemini dominates. Analyzing internal data, Chatgpt wins. Round 3. Coding, app building, and automation. Chatgpt, the veteran coder. Excellent at debugging and writing Python or JavaScript. Perfect for beginners building apps or automations. Claude has a secret weapon, the artifacts window. You can write code and see live updates instantly. Huge time saver for freelancers building websites. Gemini, strong inside Google Cloud, but weaker for general coding compared to Chatgpt and Claude. Money verdict. Building apps tie between Chatgpt and Claude. Productivity is where Gemini shines. Integrated with Google Docs, Gmail, and Sheets, it speeds up admin tasks, emails, scheduling, spreadsheets. Claude is polished for client communication, proposals, reports, newsletters. Chatgpt is the all-rounder, simple and versatile for beginners. Money verdict. Daily productivity Gemini. Client communication Claude. Beginner ease of use Chatgpt. So, which one should you choose? Choose Chatgpt. If you're a beginner or generalist, it's 8/10 at everything. Writing, coding, planning. Choose Claude. If you're a freelancer or writer aiming for premium clients, choose Gemini. If you're a data-driven entrepreneur, researcher, or productivity worker, the biggest mistake. Comparing tools for months and making $0. Tools matter less than action. A person with one tool and discipline beats a lazy person with all tools. Remember that. But here's the pro secret. Most professionals use all three. Start with Chatgpt, then add Claude for premium work, and Gemini for organization. Overall best single tool, Chatgpt. Best advanced combo, Chatgpt plus Claude plus Gemini. AI is just a tool. The real profit comes from your ability to prompt it and take action. Tell me in the comments, which AI are you using to make money right now? Team Claude, Team Chatgpt, or Team Gemini? And don't forget to subscribe to AI Income Lab for more deep dives into the digital economy. See you in the next video.